Let's talk about reviews. Reviews are super important. I'm going to show you a system that you can automatically get reviews and not have to pay some crazy $100, $200, or more a month fee, because there are companies that can do that for you, but honestly, you're going to pay a lot of money. Here's a way to do it yourself. Either you need to roll up your sleeves and do it, or you need to pay somebody a one-time fee. We do have some ability to be able to get this done for you and some availability for that. If you need it done for you, you don't want to do it yourself, let me know. Maybe a few $100s is what it can take to get this off the road, but at least then you don't have a monthly fee. Or just follow this video and do it yourself. It's not really that hard. So the foundation of all of this is really creating a web page that you get clients that have just used you to go to your web page to give you a review. And that's either done by a card like this. It says, "How is your cleaning? We'd like to know." It's this little business card on the other side. "Please give us a review online. Just visit us here." Now you need to kind of have a quick conversation with the client too, along with that card. And the card's sort of that widget to leave behind to remind them to give you the review. Right? And then you need to have a quick conversation that says, "Hey, we're really trying to get more reviews." Give them a reason why. Say, "We're trying to build up our online presence. It gives us more clients and it lets people know that we're a good, reputable company." They're more likely to give you a review if you give them a reason. But also, not only leave the card, but remind them via email and even text if that's appropriate. But sign up for an autoresponder. Aweber is what I recommend. Constant Contact's good, MailChimp, whatever. I like Aweber. I'll put a link to where you can get a free month of Aweber below this video. It's $19 a month basically after the first month. But you can actually also set up an autoresponder sequence that actually reminds them every few days for the next 2 weeks or whatever you want to set up. It doesn't matter. But a sequence that just says, "Hey, you haven't given us a review yet," or "Have you given us a review? If not, go here." And then it gives the link. Now, both of these, the card, which you can actually get a web domain if you'd like, that leads to either that specific website, or it can be auto forwarded. In this case, what we used to do, I don't think this works anymore, this link any longer, but what this link would do is go to like yourcompany.reviews.com, and then it actually gets forwarded to a special page on your website. You can do that through GoDaddy really simply, where you just go in and just ask GoDaddy after you buy the domain name yourcompany.reviews.com. Ask them, "How do I forward that to a specific page on my existing website?" And then you create this specific page on your website. And this page is going to say something like, "How did I do? How did we do?" Whatever you want to say. "Were you happy with your cleaning? Please be honest, tell us how we did." And they're going to have three options. "Yes, I was happy, somewhat, but not overjoyed," and "not happy." If they were happy, they actually go here to this special page, and it says, "Choose one or more sites to review us." It says and it still goes back and says, "If we didn't do a good job, call us." And then here it goes directly to your Google page. Here it goes directly to your Facebook page. Let me show you how that even works. So they click on that, and then I'll show you how to create this in just a second. And then it goes right to your actual Google review page that you can click 5 stars, give a quick review, and then click post. Facebook is the same scenario. So you want to make sure that it doesn't just go to Facebook. You want to make sure it actually goes to the review page. You want to make sure it just doesn't go to Google. You want to make sure it goes to your review page. Same thing with Yelp, to where they can actually click very easily, make it very simple. And again, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. But it's important to note that you also need to give them options for if they're not happy. So this is the original page they fall on. If they're happy, they go to the page that we just looked at. If they're somewhat happy but not overjoyed, they click here. And then if they're not happy, they click here, and they both go to the same spot. And it basically just says, "I'm sorry, did we do something wrong? We never want you to go away mad. Please contact us. Here's our phone number," or you go here to fill out a form. Now, this is important to catch them before they go to Google. So understand this. Please understand this. You want to catch them before they go to Google, because now they feel like they've complained. When they fill out this form over here, they feel like they've complained, and now they are giving you a chance to correct the problem. If you don't email them something like this, instead they might just go here and click 1 star and then give you a bad rating, or go to Facebook and click 1 star and give you a bad rating. So give them a chance to complain, and if they are happy, give them a chance to be happy and instantly go to the Google review area. Now again, this is set up to where it's very simple. They go to that link that you either give them in the review card, or they go here. And the reason why you want to have it to where it's a separate domain name, an easy domain name, by the way, as easy as you can get it. If your company name with reviews is taken, do a shortened version of your company name with reviews, but something very, very simple. And then let them go to your review site, something easy to type in. That'll lead them directly here if you forward it. Also send that same exact link in your autoresponder. Say, hey, please give us a review. It helps us a lot to show up online. It helps to show that we're a credible company and we're really trying to build our reviews. They go to this page. If they're happy, they click here. If they're not happy, they click here. And then you get to intercept and then make them happy after they get a chance to complain. If they are happy, they can actually give you a review right away. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go into your Google account, and it's going to look something like this. And this is your Google My Business account. And this, I'm going to show you how to make them land exactly on a spot just like this, because there's really only one way to do this. So you're going to be into your Google My Business account. You're going to click on if you've got several different companies, you're going to click on your company. You're going to be looking at a page like this. If you're not there, click Home. Then you're going to scroll down to Get More Reviews, and it's going to say Share Review Form. And then you copy this, and when you go into your WordPress, if you use WordPress or wherever you're at, you're going to put that link. I'm sorry, it's not this page, it's right here. You're going to put that link right here. You're actually going to put, and again, this isn't a WordPress course. We're going to probably do another one in the coming future, but if you don't know how to do this, get your web designer to do it. If it's an HTML site, get your web designer to do it. But this link needs to be the link that you copied from Google My Business, the actual Get More Reviews, Share Review form. Click this, copy that, and have this link here be that exact link. And then when they click on that, they're going to go directly to the link that actually pops up to give a review, and that's really neat. Now, for Facebook, how do you do that? Well, normally in Facebook, you're looking at something like this. So what you need to do is go straight to the reviews area, and this is the link that you actually want to give them. Not the home page of your Facebook page, but the review page, so that they're already there. They don't have to fumble around. Some people don't know where it's at, unfortunately. So they don't have to fumble around. They don't have to look for it. It's all already there, and as simple as you can make it for them is actually what you want to do for them. It's going to let them already go to that established place. Do the same thing with Yelp or whatever system, that other website review systems that you actually want to use, and put all of those into that same area. And make sure you promote it. You got to give out that business card. You have to have that prearranged script to ask them, and usually it's something to the effect of, we're trying to get more established online. Reviews really help us rank better. Can you help us? Just something very simple. Say the same thing in the email autoresponder that goes out to them, in the text message that goes out to them, and you'll get more reviews. Everybody that I've ever recommended to do this has gotten more reviews, and you don't have to pay the $100 plus per month to do it. There you go, guys. If anybody needs any help with this, if they need personal hands-on help actually getting it done for a fee, we can help you do that. Just let me know what you need help with.